Turkish Airlines Business Class is one of the most hyped premium cabins in the world. But today, we're gonna find out if it actually deserves the praise. You've heard all about the flying chef, the gourmet food, the sleek lie-flat seats, but also the crowded lounges, the zero privacy layout, and service that can be hit or miss. So, what's the real story? I'm Crystal, the Points Diva, and today my family and I are putting Turkish Airlines to the test. I'll show you the good, the not so good, and most importantly, how you can book this exact flight for a fraction of the price using points and miles. Hit the like button and let's get into it. When checking in at Istanbul International Airport, there is a separate area for business class passengers. After check-in, business class passengers will go through the fast-track TSA line. The lounge was a little hard to find, but once we did, I initially noticed how packed it was for an early morning. The lounge has several food stations, shower suites, and even nap and work zones. Unfortunately, it was hard to find seats and the kids' play area was closed. There was even a cool VR flight experience. Due to time, I didn't get to try this. Overall, the lounge was nice, but it was hard to enjoy all of the amenities due to the large crowds. Once we settled in, we were quickly offered a menu and the flying chef took our breakfast and lunch order. For breakfast, for my first course, I ordered a cheese and turkey plate and crepe with berries for the second course. For lunch, they brought the trolley for you to pick what you like for your first course. I chose the tomato bisque soup, shrimp Caesar salad, and salmon tartare. For my main, I ordered the fish, mashed potatoes, and vegetables. Overall, the food was okay, but the presentation of everything was great and the flying chef was a nice touch. Now, let's talk about the amazing amenity kit. The adults were given his and hers leather Lanvin travel sets. They both included the same toiletries like cozy socks and eye cover. Now, the kids' kit was hands down the best kit of any airline. They were first given the hard case backpack that had a cute diverse doll and coloring books. During the flight, they were given the canvas sack that had a pilot's mask, kid-sized slippers, kids' toothpaste, and kids' eye cover. My kids loved opening their bags. These backpacks were such a great keepsake that they now travel everywhere that we go. There was comfortable bedding for the lay-flat seat, which included a quilted blanket and seat pad. There were plenty of leg room and perfect seat for the kids to color. The seat also converted into a storage for personal belongings. This was perfect use of space along with a smaller storage in the seat for your cell phone and headphone storage. This is also where you'll find universal charging. Now let's discuss the seats on this older Boeing 777. This layout has the 232 layout, which means middle seats without aisle access. This layout isn't bad if you have kids flying with you or 3 people in your party. If you're a solo flyer, this isn't ideal with the lack of privacy and having to climb over someone. On the newer aircrafts like the Boeing 787 or A350, you get a 1-to-1 layout with direct aisle access and fully lie flat beds. So be mindful of the aircraft when booking this flight. Now let's talk about price. For 4 business class tickets, the retail price would have been $2,600 per person. Because we needed 4 tickets, we booked 2 tickets through Air Canada and 2 tickets through United Airlines using miles. Both of these airlines have their own co-branded credit cards and are transfer partners with these banks. The cheapest way to book this flight is to transfer city points to Turkish Airways. If you're lucky, you'll find flights for as low as 45,000 Turkish miles. In total, we paid 140,000 Air Canada miles and 160,000 United miles, plus $416 total in taxes. This was definitely worth it for a direct 10-hour flight in business class for 4 tickets. Overall, this was a decent business class product, but for the amount of miles paid, I would prefer more privacy. Also, the flight attendants weren't the friendliest, but for a family of 4, finding 4 tickets can be challenging and limit availability. I would love your input in the comment section below if you would fly this flight layout. Also, take a look at the other videos in this series where we traveled to Bodrum, Turkey and Istanbul, Turkey on Turkish Airlines. If you found this video helpful, help the Points Diva family out and subscribe to our channel. Also, let me know what other airlines you'd like to see a review of next in the comments section below. Thanks again for watching.
The stick? Yeah, hold on to it. No, not that one. You see the black joystick?
Ready for black? No.
The other one. If you want to grab this one here. Oh, it's heavy.
What? Ready for
See it?
blast off?
Yeah. Uh-oh.